Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see about how to cure acne and pimples. In this face pack, I'm going to add almond powder, cinnamon powder and yogurt. Almond powder makes your skin soft and supple. While combining with yogurt and cinnamon, it makes your skin moisturizer while curing the acne and pimples. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm going to apply this on my face. Wait for 10 minutes or let it completely dry. Wash your face with normal water. I'm back after washing my face. My skin has been moisturized, and I think so. You can see a pimple over here. I'll just show you here. It has a little bit suppressed. Do try this at your home and leave your comment in the below section. That's it, guys. We'll see in the next video. Until then, signing off from Revathi.